from California. We have just left Joshua Tree National Park, our digs there at the Cactus Patch. Big shout out to Tom and Gail, it was lovely. Been to fill up the Nissan Rogue with gas. Been to Walmart again to get some food. God, it ain't cheap over here in America anymore, blimey, really expensive. We are climbing out of Yucca Valley. Our next junction isn't for 43 miles. So we'll make a decision there, but we're heading towards, is it
Barstow?
Barstow, then Baker, then we'll take the southern route into Death Valley through Shoshone, up to Amagarosa Valley Junction, hang a left on a 95, and that'll take us into Beatty. Our sat-nav is trying to take us via Vegas, so we're sort of like, so we're gonna have a Sunday afternoon in Vegas, but no, we're a bit old and boring. Well, I'm old and boring, so yeah, so there we go. We'll check in probably when we get there. Car full of food and water, so we're good. Just gonna enjoy the scenic drive out. Yeah, you don't really want to be looking at me. It's a bit rocky because we are in the desert.
I cleaned the windscreen at the garage.
Teresa did very well cleaning the windscreen, and she'll let me fill up the car. So,
Okay.
yes, baby, well done. Very good. Okay, we're starting to bicker, so we'll chat to you later. Bye bye. Now we have a clean windscreen. Look at these Joshua trees.
Oh yeah.
Still sprawling
Big cluster here.
as we head north. We went out this morning and did Milky Way at 2 o'clock. Did we vlog about that? You did on your phone?
I tried to on the phone and I tried to on my camera as well.
Wow, I don't think you appreciate how steep.
I know. Foot off the gas. It's only 55, so I've got to slow down a little bit.
Daylight headlight section.
It's absolutely wildlife.
But yeah, it's all going to be very rocky and deserty, so probably quite dull, but I thought while these Joshua trees were out, we'd take some footage.
I'm not sick of them yet. We've been here 4 days.
Yeah.
4 nights. But I'm not sick of Joshua trees yet. But
Okay. It's cool. Unless something exciting happens, I'll log off back. Yo, progressing nicely, coming up to our first major junction, where we're going to soon go onto the I-10, I believe. Or I-15, I can never remember. Anyway, I-10, I think. Anyway, it was about 65-mile-an-hour speed limit, and this Airstream in front of us decided to get right above my exhaust pipe. Now we're in a 55, he's overtaken us. So, oh, some RVs there. But anyway, let him crack on. We're not in a hurry. Oh, loads more. Exciting. But yeah, it's a nice road.
yep.
Bit of mountains over there. We've got a cookie and a little donut, mini size. So we had a Mackie Doo-Doo at 6:30 this morning. Yeah, I'll sign off because we're going to a junction soon.
First one, yeah.
Alright, ciao for now. We got us a bird of prey. Not sure what it is. GoPro's probably not quite good enough to pick it up. But we're going between a ridge of mountains. Some on the right, some on the sea left. Madam is still doing the drivings. But yeah, it's a nice relaxed Sunday drive. Nice and chilled. We got the food, keeping cool in the back with frozen bottles of water, and we even bought 3 of those blue ice slabs, freezer blocks, thank you.
Got a cool bag over, like a collapse.
And a nice canvas cool bag. So we're organised, we're doing well, due to get to Beatty at about 3:30, 4:45. And we just hit 3,000 foot. Well, we're already at 3,300.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Diet Coke. So yeah, we keep plodding on. Next stop is Barstow, then Baker. Ciao. James quick on the draw, of course. Sorry, we had a bit of a moment there. We just got on the I-15 heading north towards Vegas, but we're not going that far. And all of a sudden 7 cop cars just came out of flipping nowhere. And it's quite a busy interstate.
Yeah.
And 7 cop cars just came out of nowhere, and people obviously asleep in the outside lane, overtaken, and all hell broke loose. Teresa slowed down to 30 and pulled over a bit. But yeah, it was quite exciting. Unfortunately, I missed it all because
we were too busy
trying not to have an accident.
Yeah.
So, but But yeah, we've done Barstow now, which was yeah,
Got on the interstate fine, no problems, no queues.
got 2 interstates running through it, but that's about all I can say about it. But
yeah, they were obviously off somewhere.
so some had their lights on, some didn't.
Yeah.
So there you go. But it's all very picturesque and rocky and what have you. So we've got 50 miles on this interstate before we take what I call the road up to the south entrance of Death Valley through Shoshone. And yeah, so check in a bit. This RV's just overtaken us, and I think it's forgotten its pets because it's got a pet cage on the back of it.
Our cats would not be happy.
Making Teresa giggle. Right, we're coming down into Baker, California, and we're going to turn off the I-15 north, which we've been on for about 62 miles. And we're sort of starting to hit the Mojave now, or Mojave Desert, entering this neck of the woods. We're going to turn off here in 2.5 miles. We're not carrying on to Vegas. Boo-hoo.
Been there, done that.
Yeah.
Bought a t-shirt.
Had the cheesecake. So yeah, we'll say goodbye to this road and head off north towards Death Valley.
Yep.
So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, sorry, I didn't realise that was a stop for him as well. Okay, off the I-15 north, heading on the 127 north to Shoshone. There's a big thermometer. I thought there was one of those posts with cars all piled on top of each other, but maybe not.
I don't know.
Anyway, we're going to stop here, we think. So, ciao.
We are just turn Alanis down a little bit, even though we're singing along to that. We've just come out of Baker, been on this road for quite a while now, heading into Shoshone, and turned the corner to this massive Vista Straight road with mountains all over, more mountains. You can't see the scale. The camera doesn't do it justice.
How many times have I heard that on your YouTube channel?
You just can't. It's crazy.
So we're doing 10 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Yeah.
And
Someone goes.
we've had a big truck overtake us, several cars, and we found out something new about the car.
Yes, I was going to ask you that.
I was driving along with cruise control on, which we haven't had on yet.
Because we couldn't find it.
Yeah, the Teresa had shown me where it was, and the suspension was feeling all weird. And I sort of let go of the wheel, and it's driving itself. Oh my god, never had that in a vehicle before. So it's a pilotless car. You have to keep a hand on the wheel, otherwise it tells you off. But yeah, it'll go around corners itself.
Although we had to override it on the last bend because we were set to 65 cruise control.
Yeah.
The bend said 50, so James was like one hand tentatively on the steering wheel to see if it would do it, and it didn't. He had to override it, so we've taken it off now.
Yeah.
But we'll probably put it back on next time I ever drive, and just so I can feel
On a straight road.
Yeah, on a straight road with a few little curves in.
Yeah.
Just to feel it. It's a weird feeling apparently.
It is.
Yeah, so yeah, just a little check-in. That was it.
Cool.
James is just, I'm having a seatbelt faff, but in 2017 we came here when we came to Death Valley for the day, and we had lunch at the Crowbar Cafe Saloon. It was really, really nice, really lovely, like an old-fashioned diner. Yeah, really cool. This is in Shoshone. Or Shoshone. That was it. That was literally about half a dozen buildings. I'm sure there's more off. Oh, look at a big RV on the green. That's nice.
DV. Nice palm trees.
Oh yeah. Cool. And that's it. We are, where are we? Nevada State Line 31, so that we might stop for that if it's a decent sign.
So that'll be 19 on there.
Yeah, cool. Okay, we just stopped to get the Nevada sign, which I think I might be able to see there. We thought the state line might be coming up because we reckon literally just over the state line there is a casino with a cow. Is that a cow?
Yes, that's the cow.
Okay. Yeah, we're heading into Armagosa Valley. We're betting this is a casino, but now I'm not sure. I'm really not sure.
Just into Nebraska.
Nevada.
Sorry, not Nebraska. Too many times in
This
Nebraska.
is literally. Oh, Jack Daniels.
Long street.
Oh yeah. We were.
In
James
casino.
was right. James was right. Casino.
As soon as you go over the state line, casino.
Yeah. But disappointingly, going the other way, we went to cross the road thinking there was a sign there to say "Welcome to California," because we still haven't got a California sign. No, nothing.
It just said you are leaving.
You are leaving Nevada. So, California, book your ideas up. This is the second time we've been to California. We came in 2017 and we went to Death Valley just for the day, and we tried to get a California sign. Nothing.
Yeah.
Absolutely nothing. Really poor. Really poor.
And it was blowing a gale, wasn't it, at the side?
Out here, yeah. And there was a policeman sort of watching us a bit.
Yeah.
So James did a lovely stop at the junction. Obeying the law.
Not like in the UK where it's treated as a giveaway.
Yeah. No, we don't do stop signs.
We don't do stop signs in the UK.
Yeah. Anyway, really boring road now. Really boring road. It's all very hazy and windy and dust. Yeah. Oh, we got mango, beef jerky, buffalo, elk, venison, stuffed olives. Death Valley Inn. Well, Tonopah, that's where you want to go via.
Maybe.
When we go to Mammoth, maybe.
We probably won't.
Mel's Diner looks open. Tacos and salad. Welcome to Beady. We're looking for the donkeys, the burros. Apparently they roam just wild around the town. Oh, there's that Mama's Sweet Ices.
Oh, right.
Where the newbies went. Family Dollar.
Sorry.
Sorry, I'm being all giddy. Atomic Inn. Yeah, motel. So Death Valley is to the left, but we are going to go right. So we have a breakfast, lunch, dinner on the left. I think he just rode that curb.
All right.
Yeah. Around to the right. Big casino, exchange club, sourdough saloon.
Oh, it's on left somewhere. 40 yards. I've just gone past.
In there.
Here, apparently.
The sat nav took us here. We got halfway down this little dirt track and there's a massive lump dip.
Ditch.
And James went, no, reversing. So we are reversing. I'm trying to keep out of his camera because he's trying to reverse without bottoming the car somewhere. Oh my god.
Can I come right?
Not just
Not
yet.
yet,
A little
now,
bit
see.
further. Now turn.
No, I can't.
And then, yeah, maybe go down or go to the bottom of the road.
That was effing awful.
Let's go down to the main road, turn right, this one, I think.
Yeah.
Checking if we get there.
Alrighty, good evening, day, morning, whatever. Here we are at Beatty, Nevada, Wild West cabin number 1. Car's outside there, I'm in the lounge. I'm not going to show you outside on the porch veranda, but there's 2 rocking chairs and a table and a beautiful veranda out there because it is blowing an absolute hoolie ever since you saw us at the Nevada state line. And I'm not going to show you me anyway, but first she's had a douche,
Yes.
so she's good. And here we have our dining area.
Our booze bar.
Booze bar, big screen TV. Over, it's small, but it's really funky. We like it. It's modern.
It is small. If you were here for a week, you would
Kitchen
struggle with
area.
storage.
And it's quite narrow going down here towards the bathroom. Bathroom is a bathroom, you know what I mean? How difficult can it be? There's a bathroom. And in here is like where we're throwing our laundry and our warm weather gear. And then in the back, we have the biggest bed.
Ever?
I think it's wider than it is long.
Yeah.
It is absolutely massive. Yeah, in fact it's so big you can't get hardly around the sides. But yeah, this is our digs for the next 4 nights while we do Death Valley. So this is just doing some camera admin. I need to do that actually.
Do you want me to take them upstairs?
If you want to take over and do upstairs, that's fine. There's that
You don't like upstairs?
Idaho potato. Well, I can't stand up right upstairs. There you go. Very much. I do not want me on.
Okay. Right, here we go. We're sort of using it as a little bit of a storage area. And it's quite narrow.
What's it up?
Nobody can stand up here unless you're 4 foot, maybe 3 foot. So basically, kids perfect. Nice big single beds, fan, lots of storage for suitcases and
But
stuff.
you've still got 2 steps to go and your head's almost touching
Yeah.
the roof.
Yeah, it is. Definitely. But there's windows up here, so you could probably come up here and do some stargazing actually, just lay down on your bed.
Maybe.
You're covering yourself up.
And some chubby.
I need to be careful coming down here.
He's like nice white tan.
Farmer's tan.
Yeah. No tats.
Yeah.
I am pure original.
Oh, right, that is it, I think.
That's it for now.
Right, dinner.
We've got an outside barbecue and a seating area and barbecue and fire pit and all that kind of stuff. And that's the other cabin next to us, which is called Wild West Cabin number 2.
Funnily enough.
So,
Anyway,
yeah. Alright.
grub.